August on Milos feels like a whirlwind. A rush of sun, sea, and endless energy. Crowded beaches, festivals lighting up the streets, and the constant hum of life all around you. There is movement everywhere, people rushing, and the air is filled with laughter, music, and the rhythm of life in full bloom. It's intoxicating. The excitement, the movement, the sense that summer is slipping away and everyone is racing to make the most of it. It's easy to get lost in this energy, to feel like you are being pulled in 100 directions. Sometimes it feels like the whole island is buzzing, alive and unstoppable. Running an Airbnb during the busiest month means constant motion. Preparing rooms, cleaning, and getting everything just right for the next guests. But somewhere in the middle of all the noise, there's a quiet I have learned to find. A moment, a small reminder that peace is always there, if you take the time to look for it. That peace is still here, in the soft sounds of nature, in the spaces where the world feels a little less hurried. Mornings are my favorite. There's a stillness before the world wakes up, when the air is cool and everything feels fresh. It's in these early hours that I find my rhythm again, starting with the simplest of rituals. Just preparing this refreshing grapefruit water in this soft morning light feels special. Just a little quiet moment for myself. And sometimes peace comes in the most unexpected places. Like a simple walk with Sunny, our little miracle cat. We found him 3 years ago on the side of the road. I will never forget the look on his face where we first saw him. He was in really bad shape, with 2 injured legs, one of them broken, and other serious issues. We couldn't just leave him there. We took him home, and he needed surgery and a long recovery, but from the first moment, he became the part of our lives and our family. We have never regretted picking him up and bringing him home. He's such a precious reminder that love and care can heal so much more than we imagine. Sometimes I find joy in the simplest routines, like making this beautiful salad. Rocket, mango, orange, avocado, and my own vinaigrette that brings it all together. It's like creating a small piece of art, something vibrant and nourishing. We absolutely love this salad in the summer. It's so refreshing and tasty. And then there are moments that surprise you. You don't plan for them, but they find you, like a little gift from the universe. August. Well, August was pretty busy this year. Yes, come here. Oh. I came for a little walk here and there's a cat here on the road. She has the cutest little voice.
You come here. Oh, look at this cutie. Oh my god, I can't. I can't. So cute. Yeah, come here. And he's purring non-stop. Non-stop purring. Woo. Very comfy here, like that. Upside down. Must be very comfortable. Don't lick my microphone. So, this is how it is to live on Milos. You just come out for a little walk and then you find a little cat that's playing with you. Yeah. Me. So August is the month for festivals, for a lot of people, for the very warm sea, and all these beautiful things, you know, these very traditional island festivals that everybody comes together, everybody dances together, and it's just so great. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. I love it. I love August in a way. I love it. But of course, at the same time, it gets really, really busy. The road is very busy. A lot of people, a lot of cars, a lot of traffic. So it's at the same time, it's hard. But I think this is the beauty of living on an island, on a Greek island, because it's just, there is always, there is always a change in something. I think this cat wants to be a pet.
In the rush of life, it's easy to lose sight of what really matters. But when we pause, when we slow down long enough to notice, we find that peace is in the little things, in the quiet moments between the chaos. You don't need to escape the chaos to find peace. Sometimes you just need to slow down, listen, and let the little moments remind you that it's all around you, waiting to be noticed.